If you do street photography, travel, or want to keep your camera back ultralight, then this is the thing you should pick. Well, this is Ulanzi SL3. It's a tiny flash, but there's one feature that makes it different from others. You can tilt the flash, you can do bounce flash, there's no battery hassle, you can recharge it, and also it has a built-in video light which can even work together with the flash. SL3 is basically the top model of their Spark light series. That means when you press the camera shutter, the flash will trigger, but there is no TTL here. No flash control through the camera setting, and everything is manual. Apparently you are getting a simple, compact and reliable camera flash. The price of Ulanzi SL3 is $25, and I'll add my affiliate link in the description, so if you want to buy, you can purchase using my affiliate link. The size is, in one word, very pocket friendly. Inside the box you'll get the flash and a charging cable with some documentation. That's it. The dimension of the flash is 43 by 23 by 68 millimeters. The weight is 43 grams. When you attach it to the camera, you will not feel the weight. It's a daylight balance flash with a color temperature of 6500 Kelvin. CRI rated around 97, and it has 4 power level: 1/8, 1/4, half and full. It is powered by 300 mAh battery, which can give you approximately 500 flash triggers. Recycle time is 2.5 seconds in the specs, but in real world I have seen that the recycle time is around 3 seconds. It's not bad. The superpower of this flash is its 90-degree tilt mechanism. With direct flash you will usually get harsh shadows and the face looks a bit flat, but when you bounce the flash towards the ceiling, the light becomes soft and look very natural. Getting a bounce option in a flash of this size is truly amazing. Honestly, this is the biggest reason the SL3 exists. Ulanzi actually has 2 more compact flashes, SL1 and SL2, but those are fixed angle flashes. And also with this SL3 you will get a continuous video light, but unfortunately you cannot control the intensity of this video light. And in this model you can use the flash while keeping the video light. Just press and hold it again, and then if you trigger the flash you can use the video light and the flashlight together. Normally in low light the camera struggles to focus on a subject, but when you use a light of this kind it will assist the camera in low light and you will get better focusing. It's a small thing, but yeah, it's useful, isn't it? And if you do vlogging you can use it as a video light. In my testing, the continuous light mode ran about 45 to 50 minutes on battery, and if you want you can also run it by plugging it in via USB-C. Now let's talk about some real limitation. If you use this flash with a bigger lens or a wide lens that has a bigger barrel, it can cast shadows at the bottom of the frame. It is less with a compact lens but more with a bigger ultra-wide lenses. It does not support high-speed sync, so you generally need to keep your camera sync speed within 1/250. If you go higher, you can get black paint in your frame. And lastly, some Canon cameras are not compatible with single contact flashes such as Canon 1500D, 3000D, 250D Mark II. So check the compatibility before you buy. If you don't want on-camera direct flashes, then there is a small hack. Use a basic wireless trigger like Kodak's CT16 type trigger. You can use the SL3 as a off-camera flash too. The trigger only sends the shutter signal and you can place the flash at any angle you want. The price is $25, and at this price range the SL3 feels worth it to me for 3 reasons. The first one is 90-degree tilt for bounce. The second one is video light plus flash at the same time. And the last one, it's a compact light, so you can carry it wherever you go. If you want a simple compact travel flash, don't need TTL and want bounce flash, then SL3 is the best pick. But if you want HSS or advanced camera control, then this is not a flash that you should buy. Everyone stay well. I'm James Prince signing off. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, goodbye.